We are back, baby! I have been grinding and I have found a whole new strat. I know, by the way, okay. I know I said I'd post a round video last video. That round video, future me, put up a little clip, if you can. Up a little clip. You've got to be shitting me. Why is it not working? I can't... Okay. Are we being real right now? I made this whole video for nothing? It's also a lot shorter than... Anyways, I've come up with a strat. First off, we gamble our life savings away. And if it doesn't work, it really... Oh, that really didn't work. My new strat is the best strat, okay? Hey, it's a strat, okay? Editor, future me, cut that whole fucking part out, okay? Cut that whole fucking part out, okay? Cut that whole fucking part out. This is the strat. You've got to be shitting me. 3 times in a row! No, we don't do that. We don't do that here. It's such a good strat, but I can't get it to work for shit. You know what? I'm putting 500 on heads this time. Thank God. Alright. We do that. We go over here, okay. Oh my God, I'm a genius! Oh my God! I was gonna say we do bet your booze real quick. Because that's free. Oh shit. Because that's free, but... Holy shit. I'm a genius! We put 2 grand right here. No! I almost did it twice! Holy sh... You've got to be kidding me! I'm not even doing this. I'm not even doing this right now. Oh my God. Why do I have that big of a fucking multiplier for money? You got it! Holy shit! It's always tails. It's always heads. Wait, what? I keep the skill tree? Oh my God, I keep the skill tree. Holy shit. We keep the skill tree shit. We keep this! I didn't know that until now! This is actually crazy! Heads. It's always heads. It's always heads. It's not always heads. It's always heads. We put all of our money on tails. Oh my God, I'm a genius! We put it all in here? We cash out? Oh my God! Oh my God! No! It's alright. Oh my God, no, we can return. Heads. We can't return. Oh my God, we cannot return. That's A-okay. How are we keeping this right now? It's gonna be heads. It's never heads. It's never been heads. Put 1,500 on heads. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's so goddamn hot in this room. Holy shit! Bet your booze! Bet your booze! I always do that for bet your booze. I don't know why. Oh my God! Oh my God! Put it all on mines! Put it all. Put 2 grand on mines right now. Wow! We can come back! We come back, tails, boom, we're back up where we started. Wow, no we're not. This game's so easy, I just made 6 grand though, that whole game. Now watch me. Heads, boom, don't look. Thank God you didn't look, I know you didn't look. Boom, we do tails, stop looking, if you're watching, stop looking. Why the fuck did you look? Why did you look? Who is looking? Who is looking? Who is looking? Tell me right now in the comments. Tell me right goddamn now in the comments if you were fucking looking. So help me God, I'll find where you live. I will find where you live. No, I won't. Stop looking. Thank you for not looking. Stop looking. Stop looking. Don't look. You fucking idiot. Why did you look? Why did you goddamn look, you fucking dickhead? You fucking loser. Why would you look? Wait, is it always heads? It's always goddamn heads. I swear to God. Why is it heads so often? Why is it heads so often? Why should it not be heads? I swear to God. You've got to be shitting me. You've got to be shitting me right now. You've got to be kidding me. You're fucking joking right now. Thank you. Now you're gonna do heads for me? Or tails? My man, big man, big man. Just in case, of course, you gotta bet your booze. Start the game. Alright, we'll put $1,000 instead of fucking $2 grand. No, it was the same! Where was it last time? Where was it last time? It's doing the same thing. Where was it last time? Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh my God! 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 I'm doing it all! Oh! Let me make that back. God, don't let me lose it all. Thank you. Thank you. I just snot everywhere. Oh my God! Oh my God, I'm a millionaire! Holy shit, I got $4.2 million! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my God, let's go! I'm going to sleep. No. We're buying all of Lamb. Right now. No, we're not. 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 Give me my money back. Oh, hell yeah, let's buy 15 of that. Holy shit. Oh shit, that costs like an actual junk ton of shit. Oh my God. Okay, whatever, it's fine. I'll do some cheap, you know, some cheapy shit, you know. Ah, 10 grand. No! Fuck. Man, fuck. I made $2.59 million! Oh! Just from that game. $4.2 million. Holy shit. They called me a fool for gambling. They called me an idiot. You know what I told them? I told them they're wrong. No! I told them they're wrong. I told them nobody's right. Nobody's right in this world. Nobody's wrong. Oh my god, I should've just sold out. I've lost 60 grand. That's alright, though. We good. You've gotta be You've gotta be kidding me! Oh my god! We're clearing out bottom row. We've lost 100 grand today. Not very profitable. Oh my god, I even skipped out that singular line! Are you kidding me? It's not actually clicking right. What, game? What? No, we're doing one more. We can only do one more. Okay, so we lost 150 grand today. We're never doing that again. We're never doing that goddamn again. Oh my god. But we've won big! Oh. Holy shit. Yo. We're buying everything from the store. We have $4.2 million. What do we even have to worry about? The bow. Boom. 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 Yo, we're winning in poker, by the way. Yo. Let's go to poker real quick. Look at that multiplier. 2x. 2x. We're putting 100 grand in. We're putting 100 grand, actually. I don't scratch my head. Okay. We're actually putting $100,000 into this. I want to actually put $1 million. Well, that's close enough to 100 grand. Yeah, you better start putting some fucking dollars in right now. I have an ace and a jack. Oh. You know, let's just go normal here. Okay, that's really bad. That's terrible. Oh my god. That is terrible. Are you kidding me? Who put $24 in the pot right now? I don't want to do another fucking video just filled with this, okay? Skip to when I win big, editor. Put some fucking money in the pot. God damn, bro. You fucking douchebag. Oh my god, you fucking loser. Suck my fucking meat. Suck my fucking meat. You loser. Just gonna put some money in the pot here. You fucking loser. Fuck you. I'm in cahoots with the dealer. You know, I'm in cahoots with the fucking dealer right now, sending out these cards right now. I have an ace. I have an ace. I am an ace. You fucking loser. You fucking loser. I'm gonna go all in. If I get a fucking 3 of a kind, I'm not gonna go all in. That's $100,000 I'm putting right in the pot. I'm gonna put 5.5 grand in. Come on now. Oh, come on now! What are we doing here, you know? What are we doing here, man? What are we doing here? There are 2 9s, which makes me kind of scared. Oh, Jack! He's won $220,000. He's won $220,000. You loser! You know that, right, Jack? You're a fucking loser, right? This place is a fucking scam, okay? He got a flush. Are you kidding me? I'm actually fucking scamming everyone here, especially Jack. The second I get some money, the second I get something good, 2 pair, not good enough. Not good enough. Not good enough. Not good enough. Oh my god. You fucking loser now, Jack. You're such a fucking cuckold. I've only lost money at this casino. I've only lost goddamn money at this casino. I swear to god, I didn't even mean to raise that junk. But I have a king and a 6, so maybe it's a good luck fucking charm. Oh! 3 of a kind! Suck my dick. 18 grand in the pot now. All in, baby! Oh, Jack, give me some more money. What are we doing here? All in. No! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh, oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, my toe. Holy shit, my toe. Oh my god, it hurt my foot so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god, I would have won $1.4 million. No, $140,000. I would have won all my money back. Oh my god. Oh my god, my fucking foot. You've got to be kidding me. Hitting right here doesn't mean I can fall. Oh my god. Somebody's about to have a straight. Ow. Ow. Fuck. Oh my god, my... Ugh. Nah. That's such bullshit game. Fix that. Fix that right now. Ow. Oh my god, my foot. Holy shit, that did fucking hurt. Oh! I've got one goddamn bear. Did Jack win that shit too? I think Jack won that shit. Jack did win that shit. It's either that or Jacqueline. Fuck. Oh my god, I'm not actually gonna be able to sleep tonight. I'm actually not gonna be able to fucking sleep tonight. I'm actually not gonna be able to fucking sleep tonight right now. Go big or go home, baby. That's what I was told back in the day. Can we let the next card come? God damn it! Let the next card come next time. I have one pair. Don't ever tell me to goddamn play this game ever again. Don't tell me to fucking play this game ever again. Oh my god, I lost it! I lost $118,000. The only reason why I even got $4 million was because the game used the same fucking mind pattern twice. The game used the same mind pattern twice. Which is really good for me, actually. That tells me that there is a fucking pattern. I need to remember those. But I'm gonna take a break. What was that? Jean-Claude Van Damme. Okay. Not again! Not again! Okay, whatever. Oh, I need to take a break for a second.